Well, hello and welcome back, everyone. It's been a good 6-week, maybe even 8-week break since we last rode. The weather has been absolute dog shit, so haven't been able to get out at all. But today's a good day. Yesterday I went out a little bit after work. There's a lot of fresh snow, so we're gonna go up to Brown Ridge, we'll meet up with Brandon, and I'm just going to pick up Taylor right now. And yeah, we're gonna try and film some big hits and stuff today with Taylor and Brandon, and hopefully have another killer day. As you can see in the last video, that was a pretty wicked day, but since going 6 weeks without, guys frothing for it. So let's skip all this BS and get to the mountain. Okay, we're here. Fucking just about unloaded. Taylor's got a new little life hack for everybody out here.
Fucking hockey laces, waxed hockey laces, really cinch those boots up. Oh.
Now I'm jealous because my boots suck. They don't hold my feet in and worth a shit. I hit a deep enough hole, my boots are coming out. So anyways, we gotta get the hell up there. Brandon's waiting for us. Looks bluebird up there. Fresh snow on the road from last night even. It's gonna be a gooder. Let's give her. Man, we got the worst fucking luck on POW days together. Like, fucking throttle cable broke. So now we got a plan. We got the cable out now. We're gonna try and like tie it through here, and hopefully we don't die and we can still ride. All right, we actually are getting somewhere here. So we took a screwdriver, heated up. Why didn't we just use the poke, dude? It's a way narrower hole. Oh, that's gonna work.
Yeah, now
it's gonna work.
Need.
Okay, so now final result. We got a nut tied in there. He just did a test run, so it works.
Fucking 8,000 RPMs, boys, we're going.
Oh my fucking God, dude. I swear to God, you just fucking hate me, man. Like, it's a bluebird day and all we can do is not make it up. Okay, we're back here again. We're on ridge with the boys. And yeah, see how she goes. She snowed a lot. We've had every malfunction we could possibly have coming up. So it's just smooth sailing from here, I'm hoping. And it's probably jinxed us, but anyways, time to get the fresh bow. We'll restart up when we hit it. In the shit here. Going the safe route down. Oh no. Yeah, dog! So, he's down below! Yeah! Woo! Hey!
Yeah, David, you need to get a little speed coming into it, but I'm gonna hit it right now.
Okay. Well, we missed most of the Bluebird D, which kind of sucks, but I mean, I'm okay with fresh POW and more POW coming. So yeah, it's just been a little bit of a struggle getting up the trail. Finally got up here. Taylor did one hit up above and then another hit just here. I'll just continue on, try and get a little bit of GoPro footage now. Fun. I hope the GoPro got that one at least. Okay. Where's your sled? That's insane. Yeah, so deep days don't really spell perfect ever. It's either you break down on the trail or you just burn every single bit of your breakfast on the ride up. And then once you get in here, there's still holes because we haven't had much snow this year. And this is the result. We're in like a 10-foot. This is gonna be interesting. Okay, we got her out. is wrong with me? Oh, fucking tired, man. What the fuck? Whoopsie! Oh, that was sick!
That was fucking sick.
Winter's back, baby! You!
Kind of like a little.
Yes.
You didn't fuck up like that. Nope. There's that nasty dip right there.
Oh, he's stuck. Stuck? Yeah. Oh, yeah.
My hip felt real good.
Did you hear that?
Yeah, that sounded tough. His belt tearing apart, I think.
Well, we are in it. We went and dropped down and over with Brandon. Didn't turn out to be that great. The snow wasn't that good. All it blew over here, closer to the trail. GoPros died. Everything went to shit. I got so tired. As you seen in the GoPro footage, I gave up on that hill. So now we're here after a little stop. Shredding some trees on the way down because I got to work tomorrow. And Taylor's just finding the mashed potatoes. But it's pretty nice. A lot of deep snow still. And there's enough traction for the old Polaris to get places. Well, at least you got stuck. Gave me time to put a battery in my GoPro. Okay. The GoPro is getting the cold alert for the battery. The GoPro is really being gay. Well, day's done.
Day's fucking done.
That was a long one. The long pull, people. We didn't get a ton of footage at all. That's the way she goes sometimes. We're gonna call her good there. Burned like a quarter tank of fuel. Got nowhere, but had lots of fun. And I'm fucking exhausted. Like, extremely exhausted. So, till next video. Thanks for watching. Wow.